Nolan has recovered Saturn V. This time we had a very successful rocket launch.
Yep.
How's it looking?
Pretty good. Just the paint looks like it comes off a little bit. It looks like it needs to fix it a little bit.
That's okay.
On the sides.
That was a powerful rocket, wasn't it?
Yeah. Looks like we gotta fix it right here.
Oh no, it's all intact. What do you think? Look at me, was it good?
Yeah.
Successful launch?
Yeah. After it's gonna be like 20
And that
minutes
took
long.
off
It's gonna be like 20 minutes long.
all the way
To like 1,000.
down by Nolan's bike.
Yeah, and if by not walking, by walking. Here.